how to wipe laptop before selling it in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to sell your laptop completely, you don't want any data remaining on your laptop, so that's why you just want to reset it like the newer version of your laptop when you just bought it. So for that you have to click on settings for that and go to the system settings from here and just click on the recover option like here, and here you can find the reset this PC option like this one, reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal data while reinstalling Windows, and you just have to simply click on reset PC from here. And of course you need to back up your files to your pen drive or another hard disk, and then you can just click on remove everything as you are not gonna use it anymore. So you just have to click on remove everything and getting things ready. This won't take any long, as you can see. And then the option acquired, how would you like to reinstall Windows, and of course make sure to click on the local reinstall for that. And after clicking on local install, the newer Windows will automatically reinstalled from the local files and all of your file will be gone. So that's how easier it to reset your PC before you sell it. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.